Welcome to Author Quest, the best review channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you how to write a paragraph. Paragraph writing, that is highly essential, because if you go into details of composition, you will understand in a proper way that paragraph writing is the skill that you must master. Otherwise, you are unable to communicate in written form, or you cannot present your ideas in a proper way. Now, for your correct presentation, you must master paragraph writing. Now, what is a paragraph? Paragraph is unit of composition. Unit of composition. We have parts of speech and we have sentence. Parts of speech and sentence, it is called grammar. Once we cross the stage of sentence, we go to the next stage, and that stage is called paragraph. Paragraph is working on the principle of unity. Unity means that there should be only one idea, one aspect, one dimension of the topic. For example, you have the topic of global warming or climate change or democracy in Pakistan or poverty alleviation. So in that case, you have to write different ideas about your topic. So each idea must be presented in one paragraph. For example, about democracy, you can talk so many things: the history of democracy, the definition of democracy, the current situation of democracy, democracy in Pakistan, democracy in region, democracy in the world, comparative analysis of democracy with other systems, autocracy, dictatorship, and there are so many other systems of government like autocracy, or you have kingdoms, and you have authoritarian kind of governments. So how to compare democracy with other types of governments? For example, you're talking about global warming, so there can be different ideas about global warming, that what is global warming, what are the causes of global warming, what are the repercussions of global warming, what are the solutions to global warming. So all these are different dimensions, different aspects, or different ideas about global warming. So on each dimension, on each idea, you have to write one paragraph. For example, in CSS or PMS or other exams, you have to write 3,000 words, 2,500 to 3,000 words. So there you have to write for 3 hours. So at least you have to write 30 paragraphs on one topic. Now 30 paragraphs means 30 ideas, 30 outlines, 30 logical conclusions. That is the definition of paragraph. Now we come to the composition of a paragraph, the structure of a paragraph, that what paragraph is. Paragraph starts with the topic sentence. As I said, that according to the unity principle, you have to give one idea, one dimension, one aspect regarding the topic. So that one idea, that one dimension or aspect, you must present in the first sentence. The first sentence, that is called topic sentence. Now this topic sentence you have to prove. You have to give your evidence-based presentation. You have to give your proofs, your evidence, your facts and figures, your statistics, your references. So those become part of the explanatory part or the elaborative part, that you prove your topic sentence. And then you conclude your topic sentence. So in each paragraph, there should be at least 10 to 15 sentences. The first sentence, that is topic sentence. The last sentence or the last 2-3 sentences, those are the sentences of conclusion. In between, you have evidence-based presentation. Now, we come to the types of paragraphs. There are different types of paragraphs. For example, we have introduction, we have body, and we have conclusion. All these 3 types of paragraphs have different structures. These are not the same. Your introduction will be totally different from body, and body will be totally different from introduction, and similarly conclusion will be different from body and introduction. What is there in introduction? You start your introduction with hooks. You start your body paragraph with topic sentence. You start your conclusion with rephrased thesis statement. Now your first sentence in the body, that is called hook. Hook can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I said, that there should be 10 to 15 sentences. So you can add 5 hooks, then you can add 5. The next part of the introduction, that is background information. And then the last sentence of introduction, that is thesis statement. In body paragraph, we have topic sentence. In introduction, we have thesis statement. That is another difference. Thesis statement is your standpoint, your position on the topic. When you are going to conclude your introduction, you conclude that with thesis statement. Now we come to conclusion. Conclusion is started with thesis statement, but rephrased thesis statement. And then you have final remarks. Nothing new in conclusion. These are the 3 types of paragraphs according to the structure. We have introduction, body, and conclusion.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates.